Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we are going to be weaving on a loom. Let's get started. To begin, kinder and first will have a small circular loom. Here's one of my examples. Second and third will have a large circular loom. And then fourth and fifth will get to pick between a rectangular or a large circular loom. All students will also have one of these needles to work with. Let me show you how it works. So when you need to thread the needle, if you're having any issues pushing the string through the opening, what you can do is fold your string over like so to push it through. This becomes super helpful with any of the larger yarn. You can twist the yarn to make it thinner or skinnier. And then when you fold it over, you can then push it through this opening, the eye of the needle, and then pinch to pull it through. And that is how you thread the needle. Well, I cannot wait to see what we are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.